revenue have been going down. You have not been getting good revenue since the past 2 days or 3 days or 4 days or 5 days. You guys should calm down. And I think maybe you guys, the issue may have been on YouTube. So guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about the issue of low revenue on YouTube right now. I got a notification on my YouTube channel, and it was saying that there is a glitch on YouTube about YouTube revenue. So you guys should calm down. And I was like, because I noticed on my videos and I saw low revenue, and one of my video just have about a lot of views, and I just see small money on the revenue. So I was wondering, and I even asked some creators to help me out, and I also make research. But one thing just came up on my mind, and I searched my YouTube studio, and I find out that they have sent me a message, a notification, and it says, "Hi creators, you've been noticing low revenue. You will see it on the screen right now." So I check on this, and I noticed, and my mind now calm down. So you guys should not panic. Anytime you saw anything that is not good on your channel, just calm down and make research. Don't panic, because I was like, should I just quit? I said, no, I will never quit. Okay, so you guys, anytime you see anything that is happening on your channel, just calm down and check it, verify the information first before taking any action. So I think I'm happy now, and I even went to their Twitter handle, and I see a lot of creators, they are still complaining about the same issue, that they are having low revenue. So you guys should not panic, just calm down, okay? And please guys, always watch all my videos. And I have about 6,000 subscribers. My name is Ellie. So I have about 6,000 subscribers, and I have some low views on some of my videos, but I thank God you guys are doing great job on my videos. So like, back to the main topic of this video, they will soon fix this issue on this low revenue. They will fix the issue very soon. It may be today or tomorrow or next tomorrow. So you guys should calm down, okay? I think my mind has cooled down now, because since day before yesterday I've been thinking, wondering what will I do on this low revenue. So you guys should calm down. They were going to fix it by the grace of God. So it may be today or next tomorrow or tomorrow. So you guys should just calm down, okay? And if you want me to make a video on any topic that you want me to do, just drop it on the comment section, so that I'm going to make a video on that. And I'm seeing your love, your support, guys. I'm really grateful. And if you get monetized on YouTube, this is the main work that you will start. It's not that before you get monetized, that's not the end. Oh. When you get monetized, that's the beginning. In case you don't know, that's the starting point. So you need to put on the work, so that you will be happy and be joyful. Yes. So that's not YouTube is not easy. Yes, YouTube is not easy. Just focus on creating good content and be posting consistently. You will see the result very well. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. So if this is your first time of coming across this channel, make sure that you do well to click the notification button. Make sure you do well to subscribe, and uh, click the bell button, so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be able to be notified and watch all my videos. So guys, I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Cheers. Bye.